She's one of the topper among zeme community. So, first of all, a very big congratulations for your great achievement. Okay, please, firstly tell us your name.
My name is Panme.
You're from which school?
St. Agnes Higher Secondary School.
Okay, here is a question for you. How was your first reaction after knowing the results?
Actually, I was happy almost because I have expected this much and I got, and yeah, I was happy, and my family members are also happy.
It was your expectation, right?
Yeah, it was my expectation.
Okay. Anyway, in a day, how long you used to study?
If I say honestly, I don't study more than 2 hours.
Oh, it's great. What is your favorite subject?
Particularly, I don't have any favorite.
What is your aim?
I want to become a doctor. My aim, yeah.
Why you happen to choose doctor as your aim?
If I say I had a big impact from the image of doctors I used to see when I go to hospitals or the chambers where they used to work, and I feel like it's a very good profession and I like it.
Okay, it is a good news for our community. If we become one of the doctor, we zeme community will feel proud of you because when we are in need, you can help us.
Yes.
Regarding your support got from parents, can you tell me something about it?
Oh yeah, my parents supported me very much. I used to be very lazy for exam, but my parents pushed me, and then they said that if you don't study now, then how will you get the result? And then think about us also, that we have worked so hard. At least you should give us a good result so that your community also will be proud of you, and as well as us.
Anyway, what is the most difficult phase during your studies?
I'm a very sleepy head. I used to feel very sleepy, and then and upon that I used to feel very lazy also. Mostly I used to think that if I don't study, then how will I get a good result, and my parents will not be proud of me, and I used to think about all that. Yeah, so I just overcome that difficult.
You aim to be a doctor, right?
Yeah.
So for doctor, what you need to do?
I will take my stream as science in HS. Then after that, I will maybe coaching before that medical entrance, and I hope that I'll try harder and I'll try to pass in first attempt. Yeah.
Okay. If you happen to success your aim in life, so what you're going to do for our people?
I want our community to be more and more more intellectuals should be come out, and then the students who are coming up, they should also try hard so that they can popularize their community. And yeah, I also want to give my at least something to the community from my side.
Oh, I forgot to ask your percentage. What is your percentage?
I got 83.8. If you say 84, yeah.
Please, can you give us some message for your junior to achieve more greater than you?
Yeah, I just hope that they will do more better than me. They will get more than me, and I just hope and wish that God might help them, and they should also work hard, and on the overcoming days they should get at least, there should be someone who is scoring 90% like that in our community too.
Nang leja ai pakai beje nang no pere nang nang sui lo le ben no mele chi beje kana nang no pere sui beje nang dai gum ria gai te me nang dai gum ria su te lungai me se beje nang ani go bius te je bam so ka china sale lo
sui sanga na da pun hana pa kaning bete ranga radak leki da ani radak du kulmai da ai mi le ja chang ta na cho gi li si kera bia bi ja tem ga ma ka time tem ga ma ka pe kyan ri sang kera ma na ni rang nga ja class 9 ria hang lo du pa top 10 na hang top 10 ga wang ban ga gu 100% attendance du pa kuminye ria 100%
aje tibang na chu ja ai convent ga na ta
nursery kina class 10 ga convent na ta kala pa
sui sang nang nui ran chi sang da nui ma i bete rang je ga na pe je min nam chu chi be lu nei be je ga na sang kang le to ja tuition du kai je bang ko mi tu kai kai
tuition kai da class 9 class 8 kina math tuition na tam Miss Bernarda kena tuition ba English di society kilo math sa Miss सर की सोडर ने लो क्लास 8 के ना जो होता है 10 ना लो जी की ना डिशन करना जी की ना
ओके ने नंग न तो hazimroge topper ge pakule ba nang expect me te malo
जी में रोगा हम पकड़े बा नहीं तो अमी नुमते बिया चंगmak ताले सो नुमते mak ना बिया वंग संग ngoda sui sangla
sui sangda pa je hazimroga tuna ne topper da pugu magram mara ma ikalek te khom ga de ga pana hazimrog ilang ta pui wang de sei ko le gi pu sei ko le kana ga sui bi ga na ai de ago channel lam de pi ga na fresh talk lam de pi na po je pe la le sui je no te lo
Thank you.
ni gu biu te zo me nang ai de pa de to na me so me be si ne ga se bi na nang si le ro lang
अजिया इरंग कमला पामे
na pe ji se
पेजी रमी बे पेने
sui sangda pu pa chu le ja pu future anga lam pi na best wishes pe la mui ja na pa so long lang be ga ai so ne do EBP ja success te pu sang rang ga pe ja ra nei namada once again we are glad to have her. She's topmost in Mahur Center and she's also a second topper in our community. So firstly we will let you know her name, so please can you kindly tell us your name?
Asia next chocolate Riame ne Afrisian along to Panme. My dad's name is Riame.
How was your first reaction after knowing your result?
First of all, I'd like to give thanks to the Almighty God that because of His grace, I've got a good result. Although I'm not satisfied with it because of my health, I could not achieve the percentage as I have expected because I was hospitalized for 6 months last year.
Okay, anyway, I forgot to ask your percentage. What is your percentage?
It is 80%.
What is your favorite subject?
It is Hindi, although I could not get letter mark in it.
Hindi is your favorite subject, right? So why you happen to choose Hindi as a favorite subject?
I enjoyed reading Hindi.
Okay, how long you study in a day?
5 hours.
5 hours. Okay, anyway, what is your aim in life?
I want to give civil service exam.
Can you kindly tell in brief about your support you get from your parents?
Yeah, my parents have given me a lot of support.
Did they support you to do everything, whatever you want?
Yes.
I don't think they may not allow you to do everything. What is the most difficulties that face in your studies?
Actually, I was hospitalized for 6 months, so I cannot study for a long time. And even if I sit for a long time, I even if get pain in my backbone. So this is the most biggest difficulties in my studies.
So अभी तो हम लोग हिंदी में चला जाता So आप अपना लड़की पास होने का बाद रिएक्शन आपका रिएक्शन किसे हुआ था? कुछ था ना? क्या था?
बहुत खुशी हुआ था और खुशी तो ऐसे खुशी हुआ एक तरफ से रोने वाला भी खुशी का आंसू भी होता है इसलिए जब मेरा लड़की का रिजल्ट हुआ तो हम बहुत खुशी भी हुआ है एक तरफ से हम दुख भी लगा क्योंकि मेरा लड़की ऐसे फिर इतना बिस्ना में था 6 मंथ्स बिस्ना में रहा और इसका दोस्त लोग के साथ में आई के फिर मैट्रिक दे के ऐसे माहौर सेंटर में टॉपर आएगा बोल के हमने सपना भी नहीं सोचा लेकिन ऊपर वाला माया से माहौर सेंटर में टॉपर आया बोल के हम बहुत खुशी है ऊपर वाला का ऊपर में और ऊपर से और मेरा बेटी भी और अपना मेहनत से अपना बदन ठीक नहीं होने से भी लेखा पढ़ा में ज्ञान दे के माहौर में टॉपर आया बोल के मेरा लड़की का ऊपर में हम बहुत हमारा तरफ से हम थैंक्स है और जितना उन लोग का क्लास टीचर लोग है सिस्टर लोग है और उन लोग ने बहुत सपोर्ट किया बोल के उन लोग का सपोर्ट से इतना तक पहुंचा है
ये सेंटर में फर्स्ट आएगा बोल के टॉप मोस्ट आएगा बोल के वो एक्सपेक्ट था
नहीं एक्चुअली तो उन लोग का क्लास में वो तो पहला से रोल नंबर 1 लेता था लेकिन इसका बदन जब ऐसे हो गया इस टाइम से हम ऐसे आएगा बोल के नहीं सोचा क्योंकि इसका बदन से और लोड लेने नहीं सकेगा और जो भी है इसका रिजल्ट तो हम लोग तो सेकेंड हो थर्ड हो इतना में भी खुशी होगा तुम पढ़ाई में ज्ञान मत दो अपना शरीर को पहला ख्याल करो बोल के हम तो मेरा बेटी को ऐसे समझाया था क्योंकि बड़ा एक्सीडेंट मैंने बहुत बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था
ओके आंटी वो आप लोग बोलते हैं हॉस्पिटलाइज किया है माने वो लोग हम लोग का व्यूअर्स लोग तो रीज़न पता नहीं है कि हॉस्पिटलाइज हुआ तो ब्रीफ से आप बता सकेंगे
हाँ सब इसका ऊपर में पैर गिर के घास गिर के इसका स्पाइनल कॉर्ड भी खराब हो गया, इसका पैर इसका पाँव ठेंग भी पूरा टूट गया बोल के वो पूरा इसका दोस्त लोग का साथ में ऐसे आएगा बोल के हम भी और कभी कभी तो नहीं सोचा। और इसका दोस्त लोग जब स्कूल जाने वाला देखता है तो हमारा दिल में हम बहुत रोता था। लेकिन ऊपर वाला माया से फिर उन लोग का दोस्त का साथ में आए के टॉपर करा तो हम बहुत खुशी है। मैंने ये तो एक खुशी तो किसने दिया है, ऊपर वाला ने दिया है बोल के हम भी हमारा ज़िंदगी में ऊपर वाला का दया तो नहीं भूल के ज़िंदगी ऐसे जाएगा बोल के हम हमारा तरफ से हम कोशिश करता।
So वो अपना लड़की जितना पढ़ना मांगता है आप लोग सपोर्ट करना मंजूर है?
हाँ जरूर, हम लोग का फैमिली का तरफ से सब भी हम लोग सपोर्ट करेगा बोल के हम लोग का दिल में
Especially our people with zeme नागा, लड़की लोग को तो लड़की है वो हो जाता ना, वही डाउन देता है।
हाँ।
वो ये करता है, इसलिए आप लोग तो करता नहीं है ना, वो तो मानता नहीं है।
नहीं अगर मेरा बेटी यदि लेखा पढ़ा हुई के और आदमी बनेगा, इसका ज़िंदगी अच्छा हो के जाएगा, वही सोचेगा। लड़का लड़की में कुछ फर्क नहीं है।
Thank you so much. I do want to ask some question from her father also. So, po.
First position ko bang lalay kasi besiro de am si sang mam de ni do pa ko mo ngule ka chebe ani hui makale no makale tise ga pu accident gina pa le sikya do lakti bese gina pu result ira do no maka le su ngongo be result pet priya za idle chebe ja ani pu advice bam na anu pa na to par pet bese gina rang ya sang de ka chebe milung lu te de ja na pu sister ma ja na pu teacher ma ja na kang hiam ram do hai mana pa pere ga kang ya ba ka klum ba hai na nga be ne le ai jong sang de le ka che ba yi alung ga lu to de.
Okay, nang na so panel si ka tay nei tak tay rang nang support ra. Sai na rang kang financial lam do nang ngar hang ready maglo.
Pana ka te chi du bria pana te ura bria I chang du bria I ngara da ta ja rang kang lam gna finance lam gna problem la le ka che ba I sam ko le ka le so chang du bria agu capacity ki bam bria I te le ka che ba ja alung ga lu te la le.
No sabe ze ani hazem ze hale ma popo ka tera nang mle chi pe pe ze na ngan zai men zai maglo.
Chi ja ka ga ma do chi fulfilling ga le le me do ram do le si ka te ja chi para hang ga mina ma kam da da ja mina ma ga ka tha ka tik ma ka da mina ma kam da pui min pe mi ja hang ga da chi pe pe me ja do da.
Idu apo de ning kan zai le ko to te se ga ani hazem ze hale me zo te mira le te shara le te rang zo te mira po ga difference lu ba za ani hazem zu na gne se za zu na to par time le hale me nia le hale me za kaning sing ba re chang di ko le chi ni hazem zo ne ani hale me zo ne ani za te ze ba me za te sa wai ma kile. Can you kindly give some message for your junior?
I could not get the percentage as I expected, so I wish best of luck to all my upcoming juniors, that they'll do better than me and bring greater percentage than me and make our community proud.
Okay, anyway, thank you very much, and I do convey my best wishes for your further studies, so best of luck for your future. Thank you so much. Okay, na suy sang da nang ga pi pe bi na pe ja
suy da na FreshTalk la me pi na hang ka ta wa mi da hi be pe bi se na ni basic society la me pi na so na ya anu ki na pui chaklu la pa Mahur center ga HSLC ko exam toppers pa no wang da Mahur center ga apo je na ni basic society la me pi na ni na ta tai ga ni kya wang blog ga anu ne ma du pe ga su du appreciation certificate ani basic society la me pi na pe de ja anu ne pe ga je pam ba mai program te ga za na anu ki na pui chaklu le na anu hang ga challenge certificate anu ja give cat PYF lam gudu joy anu zeme ram gudu Mahur center ga agum ja mak iba honest court nga bi de gna hani sui ja ni kya de poligum ja pa so ham le ne gudu na mai gudu na ma ja I so EBB ja anu bajat hangya joy anu ram hangya ta di ba pa na te hang gu le te wong ija basic society go president da joy agya atai ga dung ja bam pe bimol hang se ja pa ja abu vice president de joy ga members ma agu advisor ma joy senior citizen na ma joy agu members ma do hong ha jalam le ja ni basic society lam be na po.
Hello sister.
Hello.
Okay, first of all, congratulations for your great achievement because of your hard work you get success. So firstly, please tell us your name.
My name is Zanme. Native place is Khangnam. Now in present I stay in Lodi.
Lodi. So nai you go biuste jaba me nang lai ka ching me le sudo apago achievement pa pastai lu bije kana nang lai jaba pui le sebe le ro jang ji tu rang lo.
Azia kataila.
How was your first reaction when you heard about result is out?
When I came to know that our result will be out, I was very excited and nervous too. And when I see my result, my percentage and my mark sheet, actually my mark, I was happy and I'm not really satisfied with my mark, but this God will that actually I don't have to regret because I'm not I did not study and I'm lazy too, so I did not blame God for this for my low percentage. My percentage is 74.
Anyway, what is your aim in life?
I want to give an entrance exam and I want to be an IAS.
Regarding the support get from your parents, just tell us about this.
Actually, I got many support from my mother. Here she's sitting with me. When I'm lazy and when I didn't want to study, she used to advise me learn, and she encouraged me in every ways, not only studying but in many other ways like singing and all, because I'm a little bit interested in singing. So
I just want to give a time for our mothers, your mothers. Nang pago rizal ngolup sanga nang sui meng sui siame dai gum tame ka sebe jet sai ne biuste jawab sorang lo.
Maya sui sang lai kada ina kening ba pa po kuyana pere ngau da lai sa da kana rain ya sang da ya ma da yi mi puro ko do zeme puro ko do i melang pui sang da agom da bam da lai kana do ra kan ya ze na i sang lai ai so da o i ya hanga ni ngai ta lo ai da do rang ya sang jang ngau da lai ai ho kanga I
just want to ask a message from you for your junior to achieve more greater than this.
Okay. I want to encourage my juniors that don't be lazy, study as much as you want, and I want to encourage especially my school, Covenant School, that my junior, that those who are lazy and now those who bunk the class, I want you to be interested in class and be interested in what teacher is teaching you.
Actually, I'm from Covenant student. So, who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Sarutam and Sarzolam.
Mr. Atta, thank you, Mr. Atta, for your vehicle, for this motorbike. Because of you, I can roam around. So thank you so much for your vehicle, this one. Thank you. He said today's cameraman, Mr. Riame, thank you so much for your helping.
Welcome, my welcome.
Always ready to help me when I am in trouble. Today I use his camera too, and he's a cameraman too. So thank you so much. And he too have his channel. You can